It's Oklahoma. We don't have ski resorts, tiki hut-filled tropical beaches, or even a pro football team. Instead, we have work to finish, generations to feed, and terrain to conquer. That doesn't mean we go without a good time. It just takes a little ingenuity, initiative, and horsepower definitely helps. Introducing the 2022 Chevy HD 2500 Silverado. With four-wheel drive and all the amenities to complete the job in style. Regardless of your goal, earning a check to burn that sucker later. Whatever you drive, just know it better get you where you want to go. Visit Vance Chevrolet Buick GMC of Miami, Oklahoma today.